guys, it's me, Chazzywood. How is everyone doing today? Coming to you from a very sunny London town and 100% under lockdown and currently obeying the current restrictions. So as we're all kind of like looking a bit slobby by now, I thought, why not put my face on just to try and feel a bit glam, seeing as I've got nowhere to go these days. I just thought I would put on my face and I would show you guys just a bit of the comfortable leisure wear I have been meaning to wear Monday to Friday, but in actuality I'm usually just here in my pajamas or my dressing gown. So as we aren't going anywhere any day soon, I am just going to go ahead and just roll all my little comfortable leisure wear that I'm going to be wearing more of going forward, rather than just to look like a thought. So consider this to be my COVID-19 thoughty look schedule, and obviously with all these outfits you can wear them to the gym, you can wear them to yoga, all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, or tickle the dislike button so that YouTube knows I exist. Thank you. First off is this cute little cord set. It's absolutely flattering. It snatches you in. This is the set you need to be wearing when you're doing work exercise classes via Zoom. Just to make it a bit more flattering, I don't pull it all the way up. I just fold it down ever so slightly, and girl, your waist will look snatched and your booty cute. Next up are my running shorts, basically just cinching in the waist, but these look cute, these are super comfortable. You can just, I don't know where you'd be wearing them to other than just laying around the house, because these are too short unless you're Kayla Itson and you're like serious about your bikini beach body stuff. As these are weirdly flattering, a girl is just going to do a bit of like twerking. I don't know why, but it just happens. Guys, I love these shorts. I always wear them out and about when I'm on holiday. They're amazing to wear when you're hiking, and as you'll see, they've basically got a bit of a cycling short situation underneath, so that just protects your modesty, and they just are so cute. You'll notice that all my shorts are high-waisted. For me, that's the most flattering shape. Anything that's like, you know, on your hip, anything hipster is just not for me. So I always go for items that go right up to my waist and flatter my waist.
And they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be,
I'm now going to give you a bit of namaste. Next up are my yoga shorts. Yoga shorts are the best. They're so flattering, they're so comfortable. These say start now. They're a bit tight in the front, but let's look past that. These are amazing to wear to classes such as dance classes, pole classes, or pole dancing classes, as well as those like, you know, aerial still classes. But these are just so comfortable. Like, if you're not wearing yoga shorts, guys, I don't know what's wrong with you. As an added benefit, they also make your booty pop, and for me, they shouldn't, but they do. So I'm not going to question, I'm just going to accept that they're a gift that keeps giving.
because you don't know who you're going to be.
And finally, we have the good old humble cycling shorts. I'm just trying to make this outfit look a bit cute. Who remembers this Topshop t-shirt by Christopher Kane? I think that this is about 10 years old, but anyway, I'm just tying it up to make it look cute. But these cycling shorts are amazing. I bought them when I went away on holiday last year from Decathlon. I think they were only like £3. They're cotton. They just do what they need to do. You can wear them when you're flying. They stop the thigh rubbing situation. Like, guys, shorts are such a great idea for us curvy girls. Like, we need to wear them more often, and if you don't, hopefully I've convinced you to start wearing them. of all the outfits I have just tried on, can you guys let me know which one your favorite one is? And once again, if you haven't already done so, please click subscribe as well as the like or dislike button, and feel free to comment down below. I've got 100% response rate, guys. Till next time, love you loads, Chazzy Widders. Mwah, mwah, mwah.